Camouflaged Cat of Beauty by Guy Belleranti. Do you work here? A girl asked me one day at the zoo. Yes, can I help you? I said. I'm a docent, and I love teaching children about some of our world's wonderful animals. The girl pointed at the animal on the other side of the glass. What's that? She asked. That one with the beautiful eyes? It's a jaguar, I smiled. Would you like to know more about it? She nodded eagerly. Yes, please. Beauty and power. I told her that some jaguars have coats that are yellowish-brown with black spots like the one she was looking at, but others are solid black. I pointed one out to her. Both colors are important for camouflage, I told her. Most jaguars live in the open country where a yellow-brown coat with black spots helps them blend in with plants and shadows. Black jaguars live in dark forests and jungles where their color makes them more difficult to see. I also noted that jaguars are the largest and most powerful cats native to the Americas. That's one huge cat, the girl said. That's true, I replied, adding that adult males weigh between 200 and 300 pounds. They stand about 27 inches tall and are nearly 8 feet long from nose to tail. The black jaguar also has spots. They are hidden under its black coat, but they are easy to see whenever the animal moves into sunlight. A jaguar's life. The girl pointed to her left. Babies! They're called cubs, I said. Jaguars live alone most of their lives, except as cubs. Newborns weigh only about 2 pounds. Their mothers stay with them for their first 2 years and teach them how to survive. As they grow, they can easily climb trees and become excellent swimmers. Jaguars move quickly, pouncing on their dinner with a ferocious leap. Dinner may be tapirs, deer, monkeys, turtles, peccaries, fish, or caimans, which are related to alligators and crocodiles. These large cats talk in their own way, communicating with loud, roaring calls at night. They growl or snarl when they feel threatened. Amazon Indians believe that jaguars twitch their tails above and on the water's surface to lure fish within range. Changing environment. Why is the jaguar here in the zoo? The girl asked. We're protecting it, I answered. Not long ago, jaguars lived in the American Southwest. But the more that people moved into those areas, the less room there was for jaguars. Today, jaguars are almost extinct in the United States. Fortunately, laws have been passed to protect these amazing cats, and scientists study them to make sure they will always have places to live wild and free. The girl looked once more at the jaguar. It's beautiful, she said. It sure is, I agreed. This is showing where jaguars are most likely to be found. Do not confuse jaguars with leopards. Both are cats, but they are not the same. Jaguars live in the Americas. Leopards live in Africa. Jaguars have heavier chests and legs. They also have a shorter tail, a larger head, and more powerful jaws. The end.